got enough for him to get up and over. He might keep it down.
Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man? What a hit! David James stood like a statue, and already United are 2-up, both from Cristiano Ronaldo.
Well, you look at David James, you hold your hands up and you say, unstoppable.
In the name of God. Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial clip. What do you want today to this tutorial clip? I want to teach about latest product. After teach the best product, most amazing offer teach. But I teach amazing offer after clip. In fact, in this clip, latest product it's very easy. We can use change items, the best products, and continue latest product. Now continue with me until latest product. The first go to index.html and you see div container before clips, the best product, just div class container, copy and Ctrl V and collapse open, and you see roof, and we don't need roof, and clear. Okay, in this columns, in category section, we don't need, and clear, and div class call, and we don't need, and clear. The first refresh and test. Okay, it's good. And change the best product, latest products. Okay, refresh. It's good. And the main project, and you see 4 columns. Okay. Now, and added 4 columns. Just go to index.js and click almost product carousel, for example, and copy, Ctrl D, and change name, for example, new products or latest products carousel, and a slideshow, and added 4. And go to index.html and products, latest products, carousel, and refresh and test. Okay, it's good. It's finished. Thank you very much for this clip. I miss all my good friends, successful and victorious, and goodbye.